Hey, Mario Brown here, and in this video I'm going to talk about location. What I want you to do is I want you to find a couple of places and neighborhoods nearby your business and I want you to write it down in your notepad, because later on we're going to use it in the business listing and it's going to allow us to rank for multiple keywords. So all you do basically is you open up Google in your browser and you click here on Maps, which will open Google Maps. And here in the search box you enter the address of your business. I use a address right now, downtown Miami. I live in Miami, so I know the neighborhood. And as you can see here on the right side, it shows me the address here, the green arrow. And I'm gonna zoom out. Okay, a little more. Okay, so the business is located here, and like I said, I want you to look in a 15 to 20 miles radius, okay, around the business address, and check for bigger neighborhoods, so to speak, that are indexed, okay. And the bigger ones are here, as you can see here, the bigger names, okay. If you don't have bigger, big neighborhoods in your city, no problem, you can go for the smaller ones as well. So in this case, in this example right here, for example, I start normally, I look down, so the first one that I would see is here, Key Biscayne. And when I open up the notepad, okay, I would enter here Key Biscayne, and then the next one, as you can see here, would be Coral Gables, actually over here, Coral Gables. Alright, then I would move on to the left, Fontainebleau, which is a big neighborhood here in Miami. And then you just keep going in a full circle, okay. The next one here I would take Hialeah, okay, and then North Miami, and you just go in this circle and you write them down here in your notepad, and later on we're going to use these locations in your listing, okay. So I'm just going to complete the keywords here, and later on we're going to use them in the listing. Another thing I want to talk about is the center of the city, okay. Back in the day when you created a business listing, if your business was located near the center, near downtown of your city, it was ranking better. It is not the case anymore, and there's a lot of discussion out there, so I want to talk about it. I personally still believe that if your business is located near the center, that it still has an advantage. And I have a real life example. I have a lawyer who's my client, and she's in North Miami, and I really struggle to get her a top position for keywords here in Miami. I have her in the 7-pack. I have her on the first page of Google within Google Places, but I cannot get her so far a top position. And there are other lawyers here that are centered downtown Miami who have a listing that is less optimized, but they are on top, and I believe 100% that it is because they are located near here, which makes sense, because Google is all about relevancy. So if somebody's in Miami and he's looking for a lawyer and the person is located here, let's say, then Google obviously will show them the results that are near to them, so they don't have that much of a way. And on the other hand, for keywords that have North Miami in them, the lawyer is killing it. She's like on the A position for all the keywords in her industry, having North Miami in her. So I still believe, like I said, that it is an advantage if your business is downtown. If it's not downtown, don't be desperate. Like I said, I still have her in the 7-pack, but I think it is still an advantage to be downtown. So go ahead, okay, look for other local, public areas, big neighborhoods in a 15 to 20 miles radius. Write it down. Write the locations down in your notepad, okay. It's very important. And now we can go ahead and actually complete our basic setup of the local business listing. Thanks for watching.